You have to take 5 times daily prayer.
Alhamdulillah. Please put off hijab.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. Oh, okay,
I'm from Nigeria.
I am talking to you from Bangladesh. I am talking to you from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, mashallah.
Bangladesh.
I'm Muslim. Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslim.
Once again, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
What time is it now?
Okay.
In your country?
It's Maghrib now. Now it's Maghrib. It's Maghrib prayer now.
Maghrib prayer. Okay, just here in our country, Bangladesh, 11 p.m. at night. There are many difference. 11.
Masha'Allah.
11.
Wow.
Okay.
Now it's Maghrib time.
Do you
We
take
are about to pray Maghrib.
5 times prayer? Do you take 5 times prayer? Johor, Asr, Maghrib.
As a good Muslim,
Yeah.
a good Muslim. Nah.
I take 5 times prayer every single day. Inshallah. Every day I take
Masha'Allah.
5 times prayer.
It's must. As a good Muslim,
Yeah.
you have to take 5 times daily prayer.
Yeah.
Subhi, Zuhur, Asr, Maghrib, wa Isha.
Isha. Right. When I was a student of class 7, from then I take 5 times prayer. 5 times prayer every single day.
Masha'Allah.
Okay?
Masha'Allah.
MashaAllah. Okay. Alhamdulillah.
I have to go and pray.
Pray. Okay.
It's time for prayer. I have to go and pray. Bye.
Already.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, wait. Nairobi. Capital city Nairobi. Do you live in? Capital city.
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Capital is Abuja.
Oh, okay.
Not Nairobi.
Thank you. Are you a student? Do you study? Student, do you study?
You, student?
No. Basically, I am a private teacher. Teacher.
MashaAllah. Wow, that's good. MashaAllah.
Basically, I
May
am a
Allah bless you.
yeah. I teach 5 times prayer every single day with teaching.
MashaAllah.
I teach my students basically English and mathematics, 2 subjects. I teach.
That's good.
I have been teaching my students since 20 years ago. I have 20 years experience
Wow.
for teaching profession.
MashaAllah. Barakallahu fika. MashaAllah. I have to go and pray La ilaha illallah.
Okay. Are you interested to learn English? Yeah.
Me? Yes, I'm interested to learn English.
Okay.
I want to learn English.
I am helping you. Please wait. I am writing Nigeria. Please listen. Yeah. Your country Nigeria. Okay. Please put off hijab. Fully. Okay, excellent. You look.
Yes, this is hijab.
Yeah. We should, as we are Muslim, we should put off hijab always. Okay, please accept.
Hijab.
Accept.
I want to pray now.
Wait.
Maghrib.
Yeah. Accept.
Bye.
Accept. Pick invitation. Accept.